Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change document root in Cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmake it. So first of all, open Cpanel and then go to domain section, and from here I'm going to show you with subdomains. So I'm clicking on subdomains, and here we can see my subdomains are showing up here. Now let's change the document root. So click on this pencil icon next to the subdomain, and from here change the document root. So I'm giving here and click on change, and now here you can see the document root has been changed. So this is how we can change document root in Cpanel. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to unmake it. Thanks for watching this video.